Can you unblock yourself on Facebook Messenger if someone has blocked you? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we will be discussing if we can unblock ourselves on Facebook if someone else has decided to block you. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So here, if someone else has blocked you on your Facebook Messenger, you won't be able to text them and you won't be able to see their profile as well. And that, goes on and on and you'll basically be blocked. So if you want to unblock yourself from that person, there is not actually any way you can do so. You cannot unblock yourself on Facebook Messenger if someone else has blocked you. So this blocking functionality is designed so that someone who you don't want to contact with cannot contact you. So they simply block you. So that's what this does. So what you'll have to do is you'll have to respect the decision and try to communicate using other ways. Now there are other apps such as WhatsApp, Insta, Facebook, Snapchat, and many other ways you can contact them. You can try to contact them using emails or phone number if you have that as well, and try to resolve the situation. If you ask politely or if you clear out the misunderstanding, you might get unblocked by that, and that's the only way you can do so. And yeah, sometimes you might think that they have blocked you, but the person has simply deleted or deactivated their account, so that can be the case as well. And that's all for today's video. I hope this video answers your question. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.